What's going on YouTube? We are back. I am in Alabama. One thing that I always wanted to do was decorate my spare tire, my Jeep spare tire, and turn it into a wreath. The two things that I haven't done yet was decorate my spare tire and turn it into a Christmas wreath, which is what we're gonna do. And then another one is just taking it on the road and camping out, drive cross country and just parking somewhere in the mountains and just, relax, be in nature and everything. So those are the two things I wanted to do. We're checking one more off today. I got my mom here. She's gonna help me put everything together. I got the lights right here. This big old garland, I think that's what it's called. Garland, it's 100 feet. So hopefully it is enough to wrap my whole tire. It's pretty big, so hopefully I don't run out, but I'm really excited because if you don't know, I was born December 26th, so I was almost a Christmas baby. Right after Halloween, to be honest with you, I'm ready for Christmas. I'm ready to celebrate it. We still celebrate Thanksgiving as well, but once Thanksgiving is over with, we're going straight into celebrating Christmas. I always want to decorate my Jeep. I always want to decorate my spare tires. I don't have a lot of decorations. I literally just have like the garland and lights, but for today, we just want to wrap the tire. So that's what we're going to do today. I always want to add, some type of, mental health thing within my video. What I want to say is that, the holidays are always good to just be surrounded by good energy, your family, everything. Like, always try to make time for your family. No matter how old you get, these are the times that matter. Do things, whether it's different, whether it's tradition, always celebrate things with your family. And, when the holidays come around, it's just always a good time to do different things and, just spend time with your family. We're about to get to it, so I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so right now we're just getting started. Got a start on the tire. We zip tied it together, and basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna loop the garland around the whole tire until we get all the way around. All right, guys, so bad news. We weren't able to finish the wreath. We ran out of garland, and we went to maybe 3 or 4 stores to find the same type of garland, and we couldn't find it. So the garland that I got was from Lowe's. We tried to go to Lowe's down here, and they don't have it. So I got to go back to Atlanta and try and finish this wreath up. So right now I have half a wreath. So I'm going to be riding around on the highway with a half a wreath on my tire, which is fine, but I'm going to try and finish it tomorrow. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, and let me show y'all what it looks like actually. So this is what it looks like right now. We haven't finished it yet, but yeah. So I got 100 feet of garland, which I thought would be enough, and something told me to get another pack, but it is what it is. So we're gonna finish it up tomorrow. We're gonna add a few more decorations to it, and then we'll be done. What's going on, y'all? I am back in Atlanta. Just like yesterday, this is where we left off now. So I was able to get some more wreath and everything. Once I put the garland on the tire, I'm gonna put the lights together, and then I'll decide how I want to decorate it. But the main goal is to put the garland on the tire, finish that up before it gets dark. So we finna go ahead and get to it.
I tried to put the lights on there a few minutes ago, but it didn't work out. I got to figure out how I can wrap these lights around. I think I did all right. It looks good. For anybody that's interested in doing this, the garland was 100 feet. I got it from Lowe's. It's $50 total, so $25 a piece and everything. So I kind of feel like that's a little steep, but I mean, this is a lot of garland. So for 100 feet for $25, I think that's pretty good. I only had to get 2 packs, so yeah. So yeah, now I got to figure out how to decorate it, see what it looks like, figure out how to put these lights on here, and then yeah, I'll be good to go. So. Oh man, what's going on YouTube? It is Saturday. I am about to attempt to finish this wreath. All I gotta do is put the lights together and put the sign together. I just bought a sign off Amazon. So I'm gonna try and wrap these lights around the tire in the back. This is the sign I got, you know, just a little Grinch sign. You know, I'm a Grinch fan, you know, being a Christmas baby or whatnot. I already checked the lights to make sure they work. They do work, which is good. We about to get out here, finish this up. That way I am done and we can have a complete Christmas Jeep wreath. So I already got my lights and everything. So what I got here is I have an extension cord which is plugged up in the back outlet. So I have the extension cord looped around the back. I have it looped around the back, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure it goes through that corner. So when I shut the Jeep door, it'll just extend outside of the Jeep. So I have the extension cord here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the lights to make sure they work. I got these lights out of the storage. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So what we're going to do is I'm going to plug this up, see if they light up, let there be light. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap them around again. We should be good. After that, put the sound on there, and we'll be good to go. I'll show y'all what it looks like after this, and hopefully it turns out good. All right, see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, so the weather's ugly right now. It's raining, it's cold, and it's just nasty, but I finally completed the Jeep wreath, put the final touches on there, finally put the sign on there, and this is the end result. Garland, lights, Grinch sign. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I definitely enjoyed putting this together. You know, in the future, hopefully I can do stuff like this with my kids and everything, but I definitely enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you again on the next video. Mike G, Mentally G signing out. See y'all in the next video. All right, peace.